All right, all right, all right. This is David. It's Friday. Good morning, and let's get to it. Let's just take a look at what's ahead of us. What do we have here? All right, we got everything popping up, so I'm not going to readjust this. I'm just going to look for the U.S. There we go. Michigan Commission sentiment. So consumer sentiments. That's all. That's all we really got to look forward to today. So around 10 o'clock, we should get a little action. More importantly, today's quadruple witching. So it's going to be a hard day to trade, right? You have two characters on this day. It's either an extremely choppy market or a very aggressive move in one direction. So yeah, just watch your downside, man. Actually, while we're at it, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like, and join me at 9 o'clock live to trade, and we'll see if we can take advantage of it in the event that we get a big move. So let's get right to the markets. We got oil up right here, and I'm bearish, and I'm watching for a flag building today. We had a good sell-off yesterday. Yeah, that's the 16th. We had a nice sell-off yesterday. Looks like a little retrace right here. If we chop around here, we'll put in a nice flag. Look for a move down tomorrow. The momentum's looking a little flat, but still, you know, we put in a low on the momentum. We got a little crossover. I think we got to move down. So we're gonna go bearish on Earl and fuel, gasoline for your pocket. On the daily, we triggered that bear flag, and we're bearish. We should, yeah, that's yesterday. Yesterday we triggered the bear, a bear flag, and we should move down a little bit more. It was a weekly flag actually. So let's see if we can get this together. Nope, we can't. There you go, pop over. Yeah, I love when there's a break in the action. Here we go. All right, so that's it. We triggered the flag yesterday on the weekly. Should continue to push down. And nat gas we looked at, right? Oh yeah, okay. Sold off the rally. So we had that rally. What was that? Wednesday, and just sold it right off. So I'm bearish on nat gas. So that which a nice thing, man. We're getting into the season. People got to fill up those tanks. Down it comes. Down it comes. And a quick look at gold. Bearish on gold. Gonna give me a hard time. All right, so we broke that trend line, and that's it. We just keep moving down, and I'm just staying bearish on it. I don't see any setups long term, but down she goes. Looking at bonds, I'm bearish, and I'm just watching the support right here. If it breaks that support, it should continue lower. Momentum is consistent with that move. So that's it. We're bearish on bonds and looking for a break of the support to continue its move down further. And BTC's back in the channel, man. And just watch that channel. Very, very reliable. If it takes a break, cool. It'll probably push down, give you a nice entry. You could just trail your stops behind each bar. This is a 240 minute chart, and you could just trail your stops behind each bar, get popped out. See if it's going to keep running, it's going to keep running. If it's going to return, you'll lock in your profit. But that's it. Just watch this channel, trade this channel, reliable trade. And then we finally get to the ES. I'm still bearish, and actually I'm watching, which I think we're there, right? Yeah, we're there. We broke this weekly trend line. There it is. push down, breaking below 3,900. It's just telling me we have a further move. We're going to sell off next week. I bet at least another 200 points next week. Yeah, I'm comfortable with that. Yeah, at least another 200 points next week from here. So you could set yourself up accordingly. I think it's going to be an easy week next week to make money. And let's just take a quick look at, we did look at BTC. Here's Amazon. On the daily. Yeah, we got a flag triggering right there. Guess we're going to continue that today. It's not very aggressive in the pre-market. I'm sure all of these these tech stocks are going to look relatively the same. Looking at Google right now on the daily. Yeah, there's a trigger of a flag. Microsoft, probably more of the same. So very bearish on these tech stocks right now, which does this hold any surprise? I mean, the whole tone is bearish. No flag, but that's still pushing down. We're going to let it continue. Tesla. Tesla is kind of bucking the trend a little bit, but there's a little different interest in Tesla. So I would just watch it in this channel, just trade it in this channel. Like I said, you could put a center line in this channel, decide when to buy and sell. You got a tombstone on the daily. So, and it broke. Oh no, it didn't. It's just down $3. Oh yeah, that might do it. Yeah, it did break. So you could be short tombstone. You could be short Tesla right here. So yeah, man, that's it. Hey, do me a favor. Subscribe, hit the bell, hit the like. Any input you share on the comments or in the chats goes a long way. Join me at 9, do a little trading, make a little money, and then we get the hell out of here and enjoy the weekend.